I need to look at Peanut right here in the front. Look at Pierce.
Already.
Look at Pierce looking at him.
Oh!
I'm gonna shut up now.
Whoa! Get him! It's your cousin. What'd you say?
Yeah, where did they see? They can try them.
Now he's looking
Oh, I
right
left him
at
on the
him.
bed.
Louis.
Oh, did I put him in the freezer?
Oh, is that where they are?
What's he doing to you?
What is she doing to you?
That's your foot and Pierce's foot.
You got your pins.
Lovely you.
You have a hand.
Nice to meet
Look,
you.
look at his foot now. He's holding his foot and the...
Putting them together, he's like, I'd like to put this on my foot because I'm cold.
Yeah, let's measure feet. Come on. You want to know who's gonna... Oh.
Here, we'll measure it inside. All right, foot to foot. Let's see.
He's looking at his hands now.
Oh my God, I'm not kidding you. They're the same size.
Yeah. He has long feet.
Look at that.
Yeah.
They're almost the same exact size.
Yeah.